What are you doing in there?
Over there.
Are you ready for the obstacle course? Are we going to do the obstacle course? Let's go! Oh, look, we put our little friend on. Dance. Right, baby Marshall. Go, go, go! Woohoo! Well done. Okay. Okay. Right, ready? 10 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, go see the fairies. It's the golden trail. I think they've left you some glitter. You've got to glitter all the fairies. Good girl. They all happy? Right, down the slide next. Good girl. Come on, baby Marshall. You are, well done.
Where's the yellow?
Good girl.
Where's the red? Orange and blue.
Well done.
Yellow.
Good job. Right, next one. You need to get the cars in the buckets. Go, go, go. Good job, baby Marshall.
Look, a bee.
Oh my gosh, it is. Oh my gosh.
That naughty bee.
Fly away, little bee. Right, well, let's do this next. Oh, it's flown away. Good girl.
Look. Look, Mummy.
Ah! Woohoo! Oh, we missed the bucket. Oh, so did he.
Yippee!
Okay, let's go.
Good girl.
It's wobbly, that
There you go, baby. Hold my hand.
Yay! Woohoo!
Oh no! Oh no! Quick, cry, baby, in the bed and stop her crying.
Cry, baby.
Oh, cry, baby.
The kids are asleep. Baby boy, cry, baby.
Oh, put on that hat and you've done it. And then hold. Is that lots of fun?
I'm the winner, Mummy.
You are a winner.
I did it again.
You want to do it again? Yeah.
Subscribe. Like our video. Like and subscribe to Willow's World.